Hello, yeah, this is a second part of the Ichimoku tutorial that I did earlier. I did part 1 and it was already uploaded to YouTube channel, my channel. I think you can find if you just search, because I enable it available for public, you can just search Ichimoku MT4 how to set up. You should be able to find my video here. Okay, so today continue is after you ensures that, let's for example EURUSD is on the uptrend. How do we long EURUSD? Okay, so that is actually the next part. So after you know if you want an uptrend, you want to long it, the next thing you need to do is you look for VAR model and see if there's any opportunity to long. So let's go to your VAR model. This first one is the original one that I gave you in the G drive. Okay, because the data is slightly old, so the results is slightly different from the one that I just updated recently. This was just updated as of yesterday. As you can see, the bars, the indicators are slightly different, and these two are updated recently. This is the one without the first level differencing, and this is the one with the first level differencing. So you can see the difference in their performance, the difference in their indication. Like the extreme case, this one shows a long and this shows a short. So both are not wrong, because it says that when this shows a short, it does have a retracement, and then when this shows a long, telling you that it's going to continue again. So both are not wrong, but I would say I would rather use the one with first level differencing. The earlier one that I give you guys in the G drive, that one is a bit old, not so effective, but it's still with first level differencing. So sometimes you see that the recent one and the first one is about the same. Okay, so when you see this exceeds a threshold of 3, this could be a good opportunity to buy, which is like now here. Here is a good opportunity to buy. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, right, so this could be a good opportunity to buy, and you can see that right after the chart goes up, right after the bar exceeds the threshold, the price actually went up. It's pretty accurate. Okay, pretty accurate. And here as well, when this exceeds below, price actually went down, so pretty accurate as well. And as well as this part, when the bar exceeds the threshold of 3, it continued to go down slightly and then it went up. So pretty accurate as well. So this is basically the VAR model. Okay, so that's one way. If the price has a breakout, it doesn't retrace, you are not going to catch it with ARIMA. You have to use VAR to catch it. But if the price retrace, then you have a chance to use ARIMA to actually catch it. And how to use ARIMA to catch it? Okay, this is the way, right? Go to EURUSD M15. all right, open up your ARIMA indicator, ensures you allow the exports. Just click OK. Okay, wait slightly. If you see that it's loading, it means that it should be fine. If it doesn't load and it just sees the time frame here, the white slots here, and it doesn't load, that means some problem. You have to solve the problem for loading ARIMA, because it's very difficult to load. It reads data into R at the background, process the data of ARIMA, pass the value back to MT4 and displays on MT4. This is actually a very difficult to do process, so sometimes it doesn't load. That's fine. You try and error. Okay, so this loads successfully. It looks something like this. So now we want to long with ARIMA. Okay, so we look for chances to long when it touch L90 or 995. So this will be like a good chance. Okay, pass down here, it touch L90. Okay, this will be good timing to long ARIMA. Okay, which is like around here. All right, and then after that, as price went up, you continue to take profit as price went up. The U90, upper level 90, is actually your take profit point, and upper level 95, U95 is your take profit points. That's your take profit points. Okay, so you can see you can't simply just long here and short here. If you short here, you have lost money because price continue to go up. You have to have the right direction, and ARIMA doesn't tell direction. ARIMA just tells you when it's a good price to enter when your direction is already correct. Okay, right. So here it breaks out. You can actually use this for a long as well. If it breaks out on U95, it means that price is strong. It might continue to trend up. So this was actually a good entry price for long instead of a short. So your direction must be clear before you use ARIMA. If not here, you can use back your VAR model, all right, for your entry. So VAR or ARIMA for entry, direction is using Ichimoku. So that is what we taught during the class. Okay, so we'll brief more on this during the resit. So that's it for second part of Ichimoku. All right, entry, you have to be careful, right? Especially you take into the global macro as well. All right, so if the global macro is USD is strong, you have to be very careful when you long Euro USD. Okay, so that's all for now.